Hey folks, Timothy Thomas. Hey guys, I want to record a quick review video of the benefits of the program, talk about what you get when you sign up, talk about some of the testimonials, and a major bonus that I got for you. Hey guys, before you go any further, if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel, guys. I upload videos on a daily basis to help you achieve a lifetime of financial freedom and success inspiration on a daily basis. Hey guys, again, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll bring you more updates at a later date. Hey guys, the Instant Cash Solution is just absolutely exploding. It's a great program that we're utilizing to earn anywhere from $100 to $500 commissions. And it is simple. It is a done-for-you system. I like plug-and-play systems. Once you set them up, you let them go. And you can either post ads, you can do solo ads, Facebook marketing, you can do postcards, whatever you feel comfortable in doing. We have a proven postcard that we use with this system. Want to appreciate all of you that got started with us in the Instant Cash Solution program this week, and all of our programs. Just want to appreciate all of you that attended the Millionaire Miller conference call on last night. It was explosive, and we're just excited, guys, about what these systems are doing for people. And we want to pattern ourselves after J. Paul Getty. He was a billionaire, and J. Paul Getty said that if you help enough people in life get what they want, you can have everything in life that you want. So guys, when you inspire others to achieve, to have success, success will come your way. You don't have to look for it. You don't have to beg for it. It will automatically happen. And then you put processes and procedures in place, repeatable patterns, and you do it over and over and over and over again, and you scale up to the moon. Guys, that's when you can create the lifestyle of financial freedom and success. Go where you want to go, do what you want to do, stay as long as you want to stay. So guys, the Instant Cash Solution program, let's look under the hood in this review. This is one of our capture pages. I'm going to go to the back office for just a few moments, and we'll take a gander at it. Now guys, this is the back office of the Instant Cash Solution. We got the quick start. Let's go here and look here, and then we'll go and look at the packages that you can get. Okay, we've got the quick start. These are the capture pages you can choose. I am currently using this capture page right here. It's very exciting. It says imagine a life without limits, new money making system, pays you daily. Learn how average people are making $3,000 to $5,000 per month using this system. And guys, this page converts at about 45. I'm getting about 45% conversion rate, meaning out of 100 people that come to this site, I'm getting about 45 people on average to opt in. So it's highly optimized page, and it works for any kind of traffic, whether it be copy and pasting ads on Craigslist, whether it be Facebook traffic, Instagram, whether it be mailing postcards or running solo ads. And those are the ways that we do it. Now, with this system, guys, you can choose from these pages, and you can make them your primary page. In the back office, guys, we've got a ton of training and support. When you become a part of this program, you're in business for yourself, but you're never by yourself. We have a tab for training, how to market this business, our custom webinars. There's a webinar every Tuesday at 8 p.m. I believe I want to say it's Pacific time. Eastern time. And guys, there is a webinar every Tuesday evening, and it's recorded in the archives too also. And so the owner of the program is there. He provides information. He provides an overview of the program, what it can do for you, how it can help you, and marketing strategies, tools, and resources that you can use in any home-based business. The Transformational Academy, Gold Platinum member bonuses, guys. When you commit to Gold, there are perks to these memberships. Gold and Platinum are the highest membership levels, and this takes you back to the ICS website, and then you can have the support tab right here. So that's a great thing to come up under there. Now let's click on to the tools. Guys, we got a custom webinar. We got Press One Cash, Sizzle Call, and the Lead Network, how to get traffic, and even more resources. So it's just a ton of information up under here. One thing I like, guys, about the training tab, we got what we call the ICS websites. Let's go there. and I want to visit there for a second. All right, these are the ICS websites that you get when you become a part of this program, become a member. And the owner of the program, he comes over here under this tutorial. And in this tutorial, you will learn how to briefly utilize all these to explode your sales in this business, to get those $100 days, those $500 days, those $2,000 weeks in this program are possible when you follow the training, the mentoring, and the coaching. Let's just hear a sneak peek of what he has to say talking about these websites.
This will be a very short tutorial because it pertains to the ICS related and relevant websites. In a moment, I'll be sharing with all of you the ICS websites that you should visit. I suggest that as you visit each of the websites you're about to learn about, that you bookmark them, which will make it easy for you to get back to them. Before I share with you the websites that are important to you and to your instant cash solution business, I want to speak from the heart here for a moment. And I want to let you know that I have a great deal of admiration for you. In fact, I have a great deal of admiration for all of our ICS members. Here's the reason why. You saw an opportunity and you had the courage to pursue it. Many of our members, maybe yourself included, have tried making money online previously with other home-based businesses, but have failed. And yet, our members still found the courage to give ICS a shot. Although I haven't met you in person, I feel that we are in fact kindred spirits. We want to achieve success, we want to help others achieve success, and we want to make a difference. We want to make a difference in our lives and in the lives of people we touch. And we have the courage to pursue our dreams. It is for this reason that I am so committed to doing everything that I can to provide all of our members, including you, all the resources, all the training, and all the tools necessary to help you achieve success with the Instant Cash Solution. That's also the reason so much time and effort has gone into the development of our business center, which is our back office, your back office, and these various websites you're about to learn about that can help you, learn about our business model, get up to speed quickly, and share the Instant Cash Solution business and make hopefully a lot of money doing so. So with that being said, let me go over the ICS related websites. Okay, the first domain name I'm going to share with you is an important one. Well, they're all important, but this one's really important because it gets you into your ICS back office. To log in to your ICS back office, you're going to go to www.instantcashsolution.com/login. You need to put the /login. Next website, the Vimeo channel, which contains a series of short tutorial videos that are meant to help our new members learn our business model quickly. That tutorial channel again is www.icstutorials.com. The next domain name is www.icsvideos.com. icsvideos.com. And this too is a Vimeo channel that contains the webinar replays of the weekly members training sessions that we do every Tuesday. So to catch the replays for any of our Tuesday training sessions that you may have missed or may miss in the future, you're going to go to icsvideos.com, icsvideos.com. Now to register for our Tuesday training sessions, if you haven't already done so, you're going to go to www.icstraining.info, icstraining.info. This is the registration page to register for our weekly ICS members training sessions, again, that we do every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern. Also, we make sales every week for our members during these weekly training sessions. So you would be wise to invite your prospects to attend these weekly training sessions as your guest so we can make some sales for you as well. And this is the same link you're going to provide your prospects to invite them to attend as your guest to those weekly training sessions. www.icstraining.info. Okay, moving right along. The next domain name you need to be aware of is www.icstestimonials.com. This is a Vimeo channel which contains our member testimonials. Very important that you use this website in your marketing efforts. In other words, we suggest that you include this link in your follow-up email campaigns to your prospects. That way they can hear from actual ICS members about the success they've achieved with the Instant Cash solution. And a common theme that you will hear, as well as your prospects will hear that visit this icstestimonials.com, is that many of our members have made money their very first few days upon joining us.
Guys, I'm going to leave it right here. Great video that Rich has, all for guys in the back office, up under the Quick Start ICS websites. So, great information, and this is all these websites that he was just talking about that you can utilize in your market. Once you join the program, guys, you can utilize these in all your marketing, materials. If you want to make a video, if you don't want to make a video, guys, but it's just information, guys, that is very helpful. I'm going to click on this tab, guys. We're going to go to ICS Testimonials. We're going to listen to a couple testimonials, and then I'm going to come back and talk to you about the levels to join, and we'll talk about the bonuses that we have to offer, guys, and then we'll end the video. Let's go over, let's click off that. Okay, there's the testimonials. Here we go. Testimonials, guys. We got a whole lineup of great individuals that have made money with this program. And let's listen to what they got to say. Let's see what Mary Beth's got to say.
Hi there, this is Mary Beth, and I just want to give a special thanks and a huge shout out to Rich Meyer for creating this amazing instant cash solution system. And I am so happy that I joined. All I did was plug into a simple system. I followed the instructions and the blueprint, and I started seeing some really amazing results very quickly, and I have been earning with instant cash solution ever since. If you are looking for a simple, proven copy and paste system, this one really works, and it's a true winner. Thank you so much, Rich, for everything that you do.
All right, that's Mary Beth's testimonial. Let's grab one of these other guys. Dennis.
How you doing, folks? Dennis here. I am the CEO of Viking Wealth Team and a happy member of Instant Cash Solutions. Just wanted to give a brief testimonial here, not going to take up too much of your time. I joined Instant Cash Solution and made a profit within 7 days. Unheard of in the online business. This has been one of the best return on investments that I've done with the online world, and I've done many. I have spent a lot of money. I have wasted a lot of money. I can assure you, folks, what you're going to receive, the training, the education, and all of the tools in place that are located in your back office. If you follow the system, you're going to make money. Plain and simple. Again, less than 7 days, I've put money in my pocket, and I look forward to many, many more. Again, folks, don't want to take up too much of your time, but again, within 7 days, made some money, keep making money, and look forward to making even more money. So if you needed that final push and final real testimonial, here it is. Within 7 days, I made a profit. Folks, get on board. The back office, the support, the education, and all the tools are unbelievable. Good luck to everybody, and hope you get on board. Talk to you soon. Thanks.
All right. Great testimony from Mary Beth and Rich. Yesterday video we had Troy. He had a great testimonial. The other day we had Tom. Here's Dan. Dan has an awesome testimony right there. And back to Mary Beth and Dorian. All these great numbers have got great testimonials. Bruce. And then we got this young lady here, her testimonial. Terry and Chuck. And just everybody's got a great testimonial about this program. And it absolutely works. So These are the levels that you can get involved with in the instant cash solution. Let's see if we can find that real quick. Hang on tight. Okay, guys. Okay, here are the membership levels for the instant cash solution. The membership levels. Let's click there. We're going to go down to the bottom. And these levels, guys, we've got some bonuses behind these levels. I want y'all to take a look at them because I think they're very beneficial for you. Okay, we've got, you can join for the $100, a $29 admin fee, a one-time $200 for silver level, and a $29 admin fee. We got the gold level, $300, and a $29 admin fee. We got platinum level. Platinum, guys, 90% of people are coming in at platinum. We've got about 5% coming in at gold. The rest of them coming in at silver and bronze. So, guys, when you join a higher level, you get the lesser levels absolutely free. The check shows what you're going to get. The more higher you go in the levels, guys, the more you get as far as the training and the attributes. So, guys, we ask that you get registered today. Again, welcome to the team, to all that joined us this week in the program. Super excited about that. And we're going to start bringing more information, more video proof of folks joining and going from there. Now, also, let's look at here. This is a bonus that we're offering, the Postcard Cash Machine. I'll show it to you. Here's a video. I'm going to put a link to this video that I did back. This video, guys, has caused so many people to make more money. I'll show you. This postcard, when you partner with us for a limited time, guys, we're going to, when you come in at the platinum level, which is the $500 level, this is what we call the $250 Postcard Cash Machine. Folks, this thing is incredible. The video below will show you, click the link below the video, will show you what this program has done and what it can do. We'll put you in #1 position. I'm the monitor of this program. We'll put you in #1. You're going to set you up with some free spaces. Also, when you join the 250, when you come in at 500, we're going to give you the $100 level of this postcard. We're going to give you the 50 and the 25. Several of you have took us up on this offer, and we're welcome to the team. And we're going to get you your postcards and get you off to the races. Now, if you come in at the $300 level, we'll give you the $100 level and lower. $500 level, we're going to give you the $250 and lower. That's the front side of the postcard. This is what it says, guys. When you get a chance, dial that playback number. We have a conference call every Tuesday night encouraging people. So, guys, this is a $1,000 value. More than the cost that you're paying for admission into the program. Just absolutely unheard of. We're going to do that just for a limited time, guys. I'm going to turn that thing off in about a week or two because we're going to use it for another business, that promotion. But for a limited time, we're going to do that for our members, guys. Instant Cash Solution. It's a great program to partner with. It's simple. We have a proven postcard. I'm going to talk about that postcard on another video, and we'll go from there. Remember, guys, go back over here. Choose your level. You can go and pay with a credit or debit card. You can overnight your payment. You can send it UPS or FedEx, however you want to do it, guys. And we'll effortlessly get you started. It is a plug-and-play system, guys. If you can mail a postcard, you can win in this program. I got a proven postcard, guys, I can supply for you. I got some postcards right here for instant postcard wealth to go out later this week. I mail about 30, 40 postcards a day. Guys, and your income can explode in these programs. Guys, again, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, smash that button, and subscribe to the channel. Look forward to bringing you to another video at a later time. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.